It is with great honor and humility that I stand before you today to mark the blessed occasion of Miladun Nabi, the birth anniversary of Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. Today, as we gather in unity and reflection, we are reminded not only of the Prophet but also of the timeless values that brought to humility, that he brought to humanity, values that continue to guide us in building a peaceful and a just society. The Colombo Municipal Council has been privileged to host this celebration since 2020. A formal proposal was submitted by our council member, Mr. Khalilur Rahman, with the support of both Muslim and non-Muslim members, and we're very glad that he continues to be a part of our committee today. In the years that followed, the Miladun Nabi celebration has continued to grow, and today we are here as a result of this celebration. This year, by the grace of Allah, we have established a dedicated committee to organize this blessed occasion together with the support of our neighbors, the historic Devtagaha Masjid of Colombo 7. Thank you very much for being a part of our arrangements and of supporting us right throughout. This year's celebration carries a very special meaning. We mark not only the birth of the Prophet, but also the 1500th anniversary of his birth, a milestone that reminds us of the enduring relevance of his teaching in our time. Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, introduced to the world the concept of a just society, a society that is built on fairness, on compassion, respect for diversity, and the care for less fortunate. He taught us that leadership is not merely about authority, but it's about service. He established one of the earliest examples of a welfare state, where the rights of women, the rights of children who don't have parents. He established welfare state for those who were poor and also for non-Muslims who were safeguarded within these structures. In his vision, justice was not limited to one community, but extended to all. His covenant with the people of Medina ensured that Muslims and non-Muslims live together in peace, in harmony, and mutual respect. This is a very important reminder for all of us here in Colombo City. Our great city is home to people of many faiths and of many communities. Yet, we live side by side, respecting each other's beliefs, cultures, and traditions. This harmony is a reflection of the spirit of the Prophet's message. Colombo can indeed be shown as an example of how the teaching of Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, can inspire coexistence, can inspire compassion, and can inspire social justice. As we celebrate Miladun Nabi today, let us take inspiration from these teachings. Let us work together to build a city that reflects the noble principles of honesty, of fairness, unity, and service to others. Let us strengthen our bonds as one community committed to progress to the well-being of every other citizen. On this blessed day, I call upon all of us, Muslims and non-Muslims alike, to renew our commitment to these universal values. Let's strive to eliminate inequality, promote justice. Let's establish compassion and governance in our everyday, our day-to-day lives. The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, said, "The best of people are those who are most beneficial to others."